everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another box from Worthy Flavors. This is the all organic box. For me, the price is $39.95. I do usually pay for this, but this box I got for free, not because it's sponsored, but because I referred a lot of you. There's a link in the description down below if you want to try Worthy Flavors. They weren't keeping track of my referrals, so they gave me a few boxes complimentary, and this is one of those boxes. The last few boxes that we've gotten from Worthy Flavors haven't been so great, so I'm really hoping that this one is better than my last few. Let's get this box open and find out. You guys know I don't want to look. I'm going to put this over here. Hopefully I'll be able to identify the vegetables this time and I won't mix up my mangoes and avocados. That's fruit, but you know what I mean. Oh, it's nice and organized. Can you guys see? Can you see in here? Maybe if I move it closer. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Okay. I think I have to turn it because I keep getting hit with flap. Oh. Can you see in there? It looks very organized. Right on top, we have the bit about you can get 20% off your first order. If you go down in the description down below and click through the link to try Worthy Flavors, you'll get 20% off your first order, and hopefully I'll get something off my next order if they started to keep track. I smelled the pepper as soon as I opened this. So we have a green bell pepper. That's just the stem fell off. Oh no, that's more than just a stem that fell off. It's a little, can you see that? It's open. I'll have to use that pretty quick. And some cauliflower, and this has got some brown on it. I mean, it's usable, but I mean, I wouldn't have bought this in the store, and I wouldn't have bought this in the store either. This is some not great looking iceberg. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What happened here? Wow, okay, so this was iceberg lettuce, and it's just falling apart. I mean, I hope that happened in transit because this is not worthy. This is not good. I was hoping this would be better. And there's just a whole bunch of lettuce in here that's shredded, that just fell off. Sad. We have another bell pepper that is, I mean, maybe this box just went through like a disaster. Look at that. 2 bell peppers that are not so great. A whole bunch of, these look like, are they Yukon Gold? Yes. It says organic gold potatoes. These look like Yukon Gold. They're really small. That's okay for Yukon Golds. I'm really upset about that lettuce. I wanted the lettuce. Oh. A nice looking cucumber. That's good. There's a lot of potatoes in here. Two yellow onions. Wow. Whole bunch of grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. What are they calling these? Organic grape tomatoes. I wish I had those last night. I had to stop and buy some. I made a burst tomato sauce for some raviolis that I had, and burst tomatoes is when you use like cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, and you saute some garlic and some olive oil. You add the tomatoes and you let them simmer until they burst, and then you smush them, and you've got yourself a quick little sauce that goes really well. Angel hair, tortellini. It's good. I put some of those olives. Remember those olives that I got from Misfits that I wasn't supposed to get from Misfits? I had ordered mayonnaise and they sent me some Kalamata olives instead. I added those to my pasta. Colin doesn't like those, so he didn't get any olives. And this looks like a peach. Peaches. Now we've talked about before, I prefer nectarines to peaches because I just don't care for the fuzz. The fuzz. I don't care for the fuzz. Some apples, and what kind of apples are these? It just says organic apples. They look like gala apples, but it doesn't say what kind of apple it is. Another peach. These look good. Another apple. Some more peaches. So it looks like we have 4 peaches. Another apple. Some celery. And this looks better than the celery we were getting. This is actually usable. Nice celery. This is much better than the celery we have been getting though. So, somebody did tell me that they went to the Worthy Flavors website and the price was more than I said it was. And I gotta be honest that I've been doing this for a while now because one of my viewers, the Stitcher twin, had recommended Worthy Flavors to me. And since she recommended it, I've been getting it and it's been a while. So the price may be higher now than it was when I joined, and maybe they're honoring that original price. But I apologize if the price you see if you go to the website is not the same price that I get. I imagine it's just because I got in on ground floor or something. I got in early. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this looks like. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It looks like 14 of those potatoes. We have our lettuce, which is super sad. Our cauliflower, which I'm not liking so much. The organic celery, which looks okay for once. The onions, which are fine. The organic grape tomatoes, which are fine. The green bell peppers, which both of them are split. The organic peaches, which there's 4 of those. And the organic apples, that there's 4 of those. So what do you guys think? For the price I would have paid is $39.95. What do you think of this? Now remember, I did get this complimentary because so many of you did sign up for Worthy Flavors and they forgot to give me credit. So it's not sponsored. But what do you think? Is this a good value for the price? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends and just post it to your social media too. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week and at least one of them, sometimes, often more, is an unboxing. So if you like to watch me unbox fruits, vegetables, organic produce, grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking and happy eating. I will see you real soon. Bye.